Welcome to our YouTube channel. I am Milind Wakankar. In this video, I am going to discuss the application of rationalization of the denominator. If you are new to our channel, do subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you won't miss any one of our further videos. Let's get started. In the previous video, I have explained what is RF, that is rationalizing factor, for two types of irrational numbers. One for the monomial, second for the binomial. Okay, let's see the application of same with all these examples. So let's get started with these examples. Rationalize the denominator. The first question, which part is irrational? The denominator. We have to always rationalize the denominator. So there will be always a question, rationalize the denominator. They will never ask you rationalize the numerator. Okay. So I should multiply as well as divide by the conjugate or the RF, that is rationalizing factor of the denominator. So what is the RF of root 6? The same, that is the lowest positive multiple of root 6, which is root 6. So I am multiplying and dividing by root 6. What will be the product of numerator terms? 2 into root 6 will be 2 root 6. Don't write as root 12. This is rational, this is irrational. So rational into irrational will be that same number as in the form of a product. So that is a into root b will be a root b. And now the product of the denominator terms, root 6 into root 6 will be 6. Can we simplify it further? Yes. 2 ones are 2 threes are. So only the division of rational numbers will be considered, not the irrational and rational. So for God's sake, don't do it as 6 ones are 6. वैसे division नहीं होगा. So here the simplification will be root 6 upon 3. The next one. Now here the denominator 2 root 3 is an irrational number. So you got two options to solve the problem. In either case, obviously, both the cases the answer should be same. That is, you will multiply and divide by the 2 root 3 ka RF, which is 2 root 3 you can say, or even you can say root 3. Okay. So here I will multiply and divide by either 2 root 3 or by root 3. In both the cases your answer should be same, or rather it is going to be the same one. So I am multiplying and dividing by root 3 ka RF, which is root 3. So when I do that, the product of numerators, now try to understand this sign, sort of a V sign, and this line is called as a radical sign. Number inside the radical sign is called as radicand, R-A-D-I-C-A-N-D. And when the numbers are irrational, you have to take the product of the radicands. So what will be the product of root 2 and root 3? It will be root 6. So here the product is root 6. Now why not here it is root 12? Again check it. This is rational, this is irrational. So it will be 2 root 6. Here it is irrational into irrational. So you took the product of the radicands. I hope the difference is clear to all of you. Now here, what is root 3 into root 3? 3. I have taken the product of irrational numbers first, and then 3 into 2 will give me the answer as 6. So अगर मैंने पहले ये 2 लिख दिया और बाद में इन दोनों का product ले लिया, तो I will get the answer 6. So again the answer final will be root 6 upon root 6. That is, here once again, don't perform the division of 6 ones are 6. वैसा नहीं होगा. What is the difference between this question and your previous two questions? In this as well as in this question, this denominator was a monomial. Now here it is a binomial. How to get the RF of a binomial? Simply change the sign between the two terms. So 3 plus root 5 का RF क्या हो जाएगा? 3 minus root 5. So multiplying and dividing by 3 minus root 5. So what will be the product of these two terms? It will be same as the second term क्योंकि मैं 1 से multiply कर रहा हूँ. So this product will be 3 minus root 5 in the numerator. In the denominator, it is of the form a plus b into a minus b, which is a square minus b square. So ये हो गया आपका numerator का product. Denominator, I'll be using this formula that will give me the answer as 3 square minus root 5 square, which is 9 minus 5, that is 4. Hopefully you have understood this question. Let's do the next one. Again, in both the cases, the denominator is a binomial. How to get the RF? सिर्फ बीच का साइन मुझे चेंज कर देना है. So, what will I do? I'll multiply and divide by the conjugate of the denominator, that is conjugate of root 3 minus 1, which will be root 3 plus 1. So, if I multiply, once again, when I take the product of 1 into this, the product will be that numerator root 3 plus 1. For this product, I'll be applying a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square wala formula. So, here it is. We have already discussed it. So, this will be root 3 plus 1 upon 3 minus 1, which is 2. Correct? Last one. What is the conjugate of this or RF of that? It will be nothing but बीच का साइन मुझे चेंज करना है. So, it will be 4 minus 2 root 3. So, I am multiplying and dividing by 4 minus 2 root 3. 1 into this number will be this number, that is 4 minus 2 root 3 itself. When I take the product of these two, it is a plus b into a minus b form. So, the product will be a square minus b square. So, a square 4 square minus 2 root 3 square. Now, what is the square of 4? 16. Now, be cautious when you are going to take the product of 2 root 3 into 2 root 3, that is 2 root 3 का square. तो अलग अलग करके square करते हैं. What will be 2 का square? 4. What will be root 3 का square? 3. 4 into 3, 12. I hope you have understood it. I am again repeating it. 2 root 3 square, अलग अलग square कर दो. 2 का square 4, root 3 का square 3. Somebody can say root 9, which is 3 itself. So, product of 4 and 3 will be 12. So, here it is. So, 16 minus 12 will be equal to 4. Can I take out something common from these two terms? Yes, it is 2. Can I write this in the form of 2? Yes, 2 into 2. So, I am writing this as 2 common ले लिया मैंने ऊपर. तो यहाँ से बचेगा 2 और यहाँ ये 2 निकल गया तो यहाँ पे बच जाएगा minus root 3. So, now you can cancel this 2 and this 2. So, your final answer is going to be 2 minus root 3 upon 2. I hope you have understood this question. Okay. Let's see two more questions. Again, the denominators are binomial. What is the RF of this? Now you know it. सिर्फ बीच का sign change करना है. So it will be root 6 plus root 3. Multiplying and dividing by that. Again, the product of the numerator terms will be root 6 plus root 3. Denominator का product लेते समय you will be applying a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square वाला formula. So here it is a square minus b square. What is root 6 square? 6. Root 3 square? 3. So here it is 6 minus 3 is 3. And now this is the final answer. Again repeating the common mistake. Don't perform 3 1s are 3 2s are. ऐसे division नहीं होगा. Moreover, there is a plus sign in the numerator between the two terms. Next one. Now don't get afraid of the terms in the numerator. वो कुछ भी हो सकता है because numerator is not going to affect your next step. Okay. So again same thing, multiplying and dividing by conjugate of this. बीच का sign change करना है. And now the same thing. Now here what I'm going to use is denominator के लिए a minus b into a plus b. So it will be a square minus b square. If you observe it carefully, you can easily see it is a plus b into a plus b. या तो आप directly bracket open कर दो या तो a plus b into a plus b is a plus b the bracket square का formula apply कर दो. And I'm going to apply that a plus b the whole square formula. I hope you have understood. A plus b into a plus b. Number into same number is the square of that number. So I'm using a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square wala formula. What is my a? Root 3. What is my b? 1. So I will get it as a square plus 2 into a into b. I've just interchanged it. You can say plus b square. Denominator will be 3 minus 1. What will be square of root 3? 3. What will be this product? 2 into 1, 2. उनका product होगा क्योंकि वो rational number से. Into root 3 will be 2 root 3 and 1 का square 1. Now here again this is rational number, this is rational number, you can say like terms. Can you add them? Yes. So इन दोनों का addition होगा 4 and this is irrational number will be kept as it is. इन दोनों को मैं आगे simplify नहीं कर सकता हूँ because they are not like terms. So for God's sake don't add them and write it as 6 root 3. इनको आगे हम simplify नहीं कर सकते because they are not the like terms. Can we take out 2 common from the numerator as we did it in the previous problem? Yes. So it will be 2 common. So bracket में क्या बच जाएगा? 2 plus root 3 and now 2 gets cancelled from the numerator and denominator and I get the answer as 2 plus root 3. I hope you have understood both the examples, especially the last one. Let's say this question, 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. We have to rationalize the denominator. What will be the RF of this? Just change the sign between the two terms. So यहाँ पे plus की जगह पे minus आ जाएगा. So here it is into this. What is numerator? A minus B into again A minus B. What is A minus B into A minus B? A minus B the bracket square. This is of the form A plus B into A minus B, which is A square minus B square. So I'll be using the formulas in the numerator as well as in the denominator. Here are the formulas. First one, A minus B the bracket square is A square minus 2AB plus B square, and in the denominator A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. So A square minus 2AB plus B square, 3 ka square 9. What will be 2 root 2 ka square? We have seen how to square the number when coefficient is rational and your second term is irrational. दोनों नंबर का अलग अलग स्क्वायर करके प्रोडक्ट ले लो. 2 का स्क्वायर 4, रूट 2 का स्क्वायर 2, 4 into 2 8. So it will be 9 minus 8. This will be 3 square 9 minus this will be 2 into 3 6 into 2 12 root 2, and the last will be 2 ka square 4, root 2 ka square 2, 4 into 2 8. I hope you have understood especially this how to take the square of this kind of a number. Of course the subtraction was equal to 1. Again this is rational, they are like terms, their addition subtraction is possible. So 9 plus 8 17. You cannot take this term for your subtraction or addition because they are unlike terms. So my answer will be 17 minus 12 root 2 upon 1 नहीं लिखेंगे तो भी चलेगा because when you divide by 1 the answer is not going to change. Can we simplify it further? No, because they are not the like terms. So 17 minus 12 15 root 2 मत कर देना. Okay, fine. That's all for this video. Do like this video. I hope you enjoyed watching this and have understood it thoroughly. If you have any comments or queries, please write it to us. See you in the next video.